What's going on, guys? Part 4, 1996 YZ250 rebuild. As you can see here, frame is done. Got it powder coated. Thing looks awesome. Really happy the way that came out. You guys can remember from the past videos, the frame was pretty scratched up, pretty beat up. Just from normal use, I guess, being 30 years old. Or 20 years old, I'm sorry. But super excited about this. The only thing I really don't like is down in there. It's not a huge deal, but it must have been laying on the ground. I'm not too worried about it. Only paid $120. Usually it's around $250 around me. But pretty excited. Thing's been killing me, seeing it apart this long. So hopefully get it back together soon. This is the rest of everything. Here's the rest of the stuff that's going with it. Got my gas tank here. New plastics that came with the bike. I don't know if you guys will be able to see in there. Pretty dark. But new plastics. Here I got my swing arm, rear rim, seat, silencer, frame guard, brand new tires, brand new Dunlop tires. Things are awesome. Can't wait to rip them. Got my forks here, front rim, whole box of parts. Hour meter, works connection, FMF repacking, Kenda tubes, pro circuit, or pro tapers, taper grips. Got some other stuff in here too. Got my reeds in that Pro X box, frame guards, skid plate. Got some other cool stuff in there. Front brake lever. There's my chain. Rear sprocket, front sprockets in there. Now I'm just real excited to get this thing back together finally. Here's my radiator, exhaust pipe, header. This thing's been apart for way too long. Bringing it into Votech to put her all back together, get a good grade on it. Just give me something to do while I'm at school. I hope you guys are excited as I am to see this thing go back together. So that's it for right now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take videos during Votech, but I will be able to take pictures. So there will be pictures in this video. So that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys. she's finally done. There's the finished product of a long time working on this thing. I thank you guys for being patient in this process, trying to rebuild it. It's been a long time. I'm finally excited that it's done. It's pretty dirty right now. I haven't really had any time to scrub it, make sure everything's clean. But I'm super proud, super thankful. Everybody that's helped me with this thing, just to get it to where it is. Here's the brand new blasted recoated cylinder. Thing rips. Had it out a couple times. My new tires, not so new anymore. New sprocket, new chain. There's the front sprocket there. It's brand new. New front tire. The graphics kit, of course. The seat cover. This gripper seat cover is pretty cool. The Pro Taper bars. There's just a ton of work that went into this thing. Let's see if we can get her to start up for us. So I never really had any problems building this bike. Everything went together pretty smoothly. It just was time consuming, only having about an hour a day to work on it. The only really big problem that we had was the seal inside of here for the shaft, the impeller shaft in there. The seal, when I first put it in, I didn't grease it, and when I took it apart, I noticed that it was in kind of crooked. So that seal ripped and was allowing antifreeze into the bottom end, which was mixing with the transmission oil, and it just sounded real flat. But other than that, everything went together real smooth. So I'm pretty thankful for that. Just gaining experience building this thing. It's been fun. I've only had it out like I think 3 times, and the thing's just an animal that wants to go. But I do have the little guard for that. It's just not on. I don't really know what the future plans for this bike are. I bought it as a project to sell and make some money, gain some experience. I'm probably going to trade it for another 250. I'm not really sure yet, but just be on the lookout because it might be up for sale, might be up for trade, who knows. But I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me through this whole process. If you haven't yet, go check out part 1, 2, and 3 just to fill you in on everything. But that's it. Thanks, guys.